Hi folks, welcome to Institute of Banking Excellence. Today we are going to discuss about Distressed Asset Fund, Subordinated Debt for Stressed MSME. Before starting the video, please like and share our video. If you are new and haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please do it for more interesting and knowledgeable videos. Without wasting much more time, let's get started. Introduction. Distressed Asset Fund Subordinate Debt for Stressed MSME is a fund scheme having fund of rupees 4,000 crores framed by Ministry of MSME, under which credit facility would be provided to the promoters of the stressed MSMEs by banks for infusing the same as equity or quasi-equity or sub-debt in the unit. Objective: the objective of the scheme is to make long-term funds available to the promoters of stressed MSME units. These funds will be infused by the promoters in the units as part of equity or quasi-equity or sub-debt. Eligible borrowers: the promoters of stressed MSME units, viz. SMA2 and NPA accounts as on 30th April 2020. The units shall have the capacity to become commercially viable as per the assessment of the leading institutions. The MSME unit can be proprietorship, partnership, private limited company or registered company, etc. However, the MSMEs have been standard as on 31st March 2018 with the lenders and have been in the regular operations either as standard accounts or as NPA account during financial year 2018-19 and financial year 2019-20. Fraud accounts and willful defaulters will not be eligible. Banks shall carry out due diligence of assets, the viability, need, and requirement of sub-debt facility in respect of restructuring of stressed MSME units and post-restructuring. NPA classification of these accounts shall be as per the extent IRAC norms. Guarantee to lenders. Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises (CGTMSE) has launched scheme named Credit Guarantee Scheme for Subordinate Debt (CGSSD), which will provide guarantee coverage to banks for the credit facility extended to the eligible MSMEs under the scheme. Any guarantee approved under this scheme shall be over and above the existing loan or guarantee sanctioned by the trust, over and above the eligible limit of Rs 200 lakh. If promoter is availing limits from more than one lender, this facility will be obtained from one lender only. A declaration from the borrower regarding its other banking arrangement and that is has not availed funding under the scheme from the other lenders to be obtained by the lending MLI. Guarantee coverage. 90% guarantee coverage will by CGSSD and 10% will be from the promoter. Credit facility under the scheme. Financial assistance to the promoters of the MSME units up to 15% of the promoter's stake of Rs 75 lakhs, whichever is lower. This personal loan shall not exceed the original debt of the beneficiary. Further, the equity shall be calculated on the basis of the last available audited balance sheet of the financial year. Computation methodology. Promoter equity in MSME unit in scenario 1 is 200, scenario 2 is 400 and scenario 3 is 500. Second, promoter's debt or loan in MSME unit in first scenario is 50, in second scenario it's 100 and in third scenario it's 100. Third, total stake by promoter is the sum of promoter's equity in MSME unit and promoter's debt or loan in MSME unit. That is, in scenario 1, it will be 250, in scenario 2, it will be 500, and in scenario 3, it will be 600. 15% of promoter's stake in MSME in first scenario is 37.50, in second scenario, it's 75.00 and in third scenario it's 75.00. Duration. Credit facilities under CGSSD will have maximum tenure of 10 years from the guarantee availment date or 31st March 2021, whichever is earlier, or till an amount of Rs 20,000 crore guarantee amount is approved. Moratorium can be of 7 years maximum Till the 7th year, only interest will be paid regularly by the beneficiary, that is on monthly basis. The principal shall be repaid within a maximum of 3 years after completion of moratorium, total of 10 years. Interest rate on CGSSD, it will be linked to the external benchmark. Security. The banks will have second charge of asset financed under existing facilities for the entire tenure of sub-debt facility. Guarantee cover. 1.50% per annum on the guaranteed amount on outstanding basis to be borne by the borrowers. Invocation of claim by banks. The banks are required to inform the date on which the accounts get classified as NPA within 90 days of account being classified as NPA and shall be in CGTMSE online portal. NPA marketing needs to be done within next quarter from the time it becomes NPA in the online portal. The trust shall be first 75% of guaranteed amount on preferring of eligible claim by the lending institution within 30 days, subject to the claim being otherwise found in order and complete in all respects. Second, 25% of the guaranteed amount will be paid on conclusion of recovery proceedings or till the decree get time paid, whichever is earlier. The guarantee in respect to that credit facility should have been in force at the time of account turning NPA and after completion of lock-in period of 18 months from the guarantee start date or last disbursement date, whichever is later. MLI can invoke the guarantee for first installment of claim, that is 75%, only after initiation of legal action under various legal forms such as SURFACI 13(4), Revenue Recovery Authority RRA, Civil Court, Debt Recovery Tribunal DRT or Lok Adalat. Risk weight. The banks will assign zero risk weight as it's guaranteed. This is it for now, but stay tuned for the questions based on distressed MSME in the next part. Till then, bye-bye, stay blessed and stay home, stay safe.